In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a pet photo into a human using ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. So you've got that adorable photo of your pet, maybe your dog or cat, and you're curious about how they'd look as a human character. This process can be a lot of fun and surprisingly easy with the tools available today. First things first, you need to head on over to the ChatGPT website. Just type in chatgpt.com into your browser. You're going to want to be logged in to access all functionalities, so if you haven't done that yet, just follow the instructions on screen to create an account or log in. Once you're in, the interface is pretty straightforward. Look for an option that says Add Photos and Files. This is usually an icon or button that allows you to upload your images. Go ahead and click on that, then select the pet photo you want to transform into a human. Now we're moving to the exciting part. After you've uploaded the photo, it's essential to enter a specific prompt to get the best results. In the text box, type exactly what you want. For this example, you could use the prompt, "Turn this dog into a realistic human character." If you have a particular style or look in mind, don't hesitate to be more descriptive. Once you've typed your prompt, the next step is to click on the Send Prompt button. This will submit your request to ChatGPT, and it will begin processing that information. Just a heads up, it might take a brief moment while it generates the image for you, so hang tight. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll receive a new image that showcases your pet transformed into a human character. Depending on the complexity of the request, it could look exactly how you envisioned, or provide an interesting twist you hadn't considered. If upon viewing your new image, you feel like making some adjustments or changes, don't worry. You can go back to the text box and give another prompt with your desired alterations. It might be a new hairstyle, outfit, or any quirky feature you think would enhance the character. ChatGPT is designed to understand context, so the more detail you provide, the closer the final product will be to your vision. Finally, once you're happy with your creation, it's time to download the image. There should be an option that allows you to save it directly to your device. Just click on that, and your adorable pet-turned-human is now ready to be shared with friends or even used as your profile picture. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully transformed your pet photo into a human character using ChatGPT. It's a fun way to unleash your creativity and enjoy some entertaining results. So go ahead and give it a try, and remember to share your best creations with others. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and quirky projects. Happy transforming!